Hello everyone, it's Maddie. Wanted to share with you some of the makes that we have had in the Academy. Boy, did we have fun. So basically, how to turn these, which we do have available in store as well, and even the smaller ones, and the other ones are also being restocked, the ones that flip upward. So we've got quite a few different composition notebooks to choose from, but how to turn these into this. And boy, did we have fun. And we have several different types to show you and different sizes. So kind of let me get to that. So this was the original one that I had designed for Graphic 45. And in this one, what we have, and again, it's a composition notebook. It's the exact same notebook as you see here. It has been, of course, turned into this great, let me find a piece of paper, maybe from the collection we were working on. This is from Wizard Academy, from Ciao Bella. And I'll show you that one because that's the one we worked on yesterday. But in the creation of this one, we have a pocket here. Each month, it is a 12-month journal, so you can see every month has got its tab. It's got a large pocket here at the top, and then on the sides, on the back side, it's got a tuck, as well as decorations throughout from the actual paper line itself. So the nice thing about this collection here is that and I'll put all the links and information down below with information cards in case you have any questions. But the nice thing is that this collection comes with all 12 months, but you still have tons of room to journal on each page, and still you can tuck in some photos. This one has got a little flip out or tip out or tip in. And then what we did was we folded it because on this side we left the numbers. So you can actually have a list here of the top 10 things or things to do maybe. Using the scraps also created pockets. So you could use, all of your additional pieces to decorate as well. And still, as I mentioned, have plenty of writing. And then of course it goes through each month like Feb. Then you've got your beautiful July, September, October. And so whether you are using this to journal just as in writing, or maybe art journal, or perhaps even talk about things you've planted out on the garden, giving it as a gift, it is one of those things that will last you a whole year. And then of course I left some pages for the next upcoming year for things that we want to do, right? So that is one way of doing it. Then we did another one, and this one is more, and they're really nice because they're like a clutch, like a little purse clutch. They just fit so nicely in your hand. This one we did using the gorgeous paper line from Stamperia. This one, of course, features the word art. It has all kinds of beautiful finishes to it, all collaged. And in here, we have left now a front pocket, which is kind of like a secret pocket that's reinforced. Again, we go through step by step on how to do this in the Academy. And a big pocket here as well. And then, of course, these are tea-dyed or coffee-dyed papers that I've left in here for me to write on, right? And of course, I've got my personal writings on there. And this one's got a pen holder, so no tabs, but pen holder instead. Again, another super great way of making those. Then yesterday in the Academy, we went live and we all crafted together and made this one together. Now this one was, yes, this one was from Madison. Since I have already done one for myself, I asked her, well, what would you like for yours? And of course, she broke out her favorite line right now, which is Wizard Academy. As everybody probably knows, or if you do not know Madison and you're new here, thank you so much for joining us and for watching the video. We hope you find something you like, and of course that you will subscribe. But Madison, my daughter, is a Harry Potter fan. We all are. So she said, please use Wizard Academy and make me a journal, which I have made here, this one for her. It's got a different closure. This one's got an eyelet. Well, actually, this one's got an eyelet too, but this is elastic. This one is the ribbon, and then this one's also a ribbon as well. It still needs to be broken in because it's fairly new. We just finished it last night. We've got a large pocket here, perfect for boarding passes or recipe cards or whatever you'd like. On the inside cover, it features a little mouse and some books, as well as some potions and some really great journals, kind of like this one, and another large pocket. She only wanted 4 tabs, so all I did was 4 tabs for her. So we've got this one, and she left everything blank for right now. She's got all the ephemera here in one of our awesome zipper bags that we have in the store. So she's still got to add all of this. She's also got the we finally found it. We were looking for it last night. We found the A4 pad, which is loaded with all kinds of embellishments. Again, if you're interested in this collection, we also have it available in store, but we are going to cut all these out so she can choose to decorate as much as she wants, or maybe she just wants to, you know, use it mostly for writing. So, but here we've got the gorgeous potion bottles with the kitty cat. And then, of course, once again, we've reinforced and done tucks. Here we've got a, I guess, an office or the common room from one of the houses. And then on the next tab, we've got Professor, what's his name? Snape. With his potions as well. And then lastly, of course, she wanted the chess game because that's one of her favorite parts in book 1, where they are at the chess table. And then here on the back, oh wait, did we do? No, this one's just a single pocket. But here on the back on this one, now we've got another super large pocket for her to be able to put all kinds of goodies into. So that is number 3. And then we were inspired by 2 of our students. One was is Wendy B. So shout out to Wendy, which she said, oh my goodness, I am going to make a smaller one. I'm going to use one of these smaller composition notebooks from Spectrum Art Creations. And I said, awesome. What a great idea. It's just a little, like, palm size. Look at that. So I said, oh my goodness, that is such a great idea. Got to try it. Well, then our other friend, Abril Martinez, Crafter in the Rough is her channel, used some of her painty papers. Instead of using a paper line, which you can use any paper line in your stash.
She's a really fantastic artist. You should go to her channel.
Yes. She said, I'm going to use my own papers. And I said, oh my gosh. And then she posted in the Facebook group. So make sure you guys join the Facebook group too. She posted hers, and I said, oh my goodness, I would love to use some of Madison's papers, because Madison makes the best background papers ever.
Cool.
Yeah, they are. And I said to Madison, all right, let me have some of your painted papers, because I am going to make a small one. I couldn't wait. I couldn't resist. So we did. And look, it is this super adorable cutie. So again, very similar to what we've already seen, but these are all original papers by Madison. And I used them to decorate the inside and the outside. Even the inside pockets papers are hers too. So once again, I kind of gotta let that dry up a little bit more. On the back, I haven't done anything, but here in the front, I use some of Madison's papers, some of the plainer ones, and I made a double pocket now on this one. And you see, it's big enough that you can journal. You can write all of your ideas from, you know, your maybe videos that you watch, or if you want to catalog your stamps or your stencils, if you want to write notes about products, or if you come to our live sales on Saturday, maybe you want to go ahead and notate information about that, or upcoming classes. Notes from the Academy would be ideal. So whenever we have classes and you want to write down notes or ideas as they come to you, these would be amazing to do that as well. So we hope that you guys have gotten or have enjoyed a little sneak peek as to what we did yesterday, and we hope that you will want to create along. Again, the class is available step by step in the Academy. So I'll leave some information on the online stores in case there's anything that you need. I'll leave information on the Facebook group as well as Spectrum Art Creations Academy, and we hope to see you there. Not only can you get this content, but there are tons of classes there, and then of course every month we have new classes for you to enjoy on different techniques, journal, card making, you name it, it's there, mixed media. So we hope to see you at the Academy. All right, I will leave that information for you guys to watch, and I appreciate you guys joining us briefly here today for this short walkthrough.
The great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself, and I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my